Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to play music on Discord. So right now I'll play YouTube and Spotify music to my Discord server. So first of all, I'm gonna play this YouTube music. So I'm gonna copy the music URL from here, and now I'm just pasting the music URL. And as you can see, the YouTube music has been added here, and to play the music I'm clicking on play button. So that's how we can play YouTube music on Discord. And to play Spotify music, open the playlist or music which you want to play and click on this three dot, click on share and click on copy song link. Then go to your server and again paste the Spotify music link here and click on play. So that's how we can play music on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.